Well, good Thursday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Thursday. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, 80 degrees today. No humidity, but it's real nice to be outside. Before we get off into this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over, I thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, I'm going to show you something that Skyla and I, heck, we're going to try to make some money for the homestead. Give me a second, and that's what we fixing to do. All right, before I show you what I want to show you, just to give you and y'all a little update on COVID-19 here in East Central Mississippi. Yes, it has finally made it to Neshoba County. There is one confirmed patient, subject, that has been tested positive for the coronavirus, and that's to the west of us on the Choctaw Reservation. Not giving out too much information about it, but we do know for sure that there is one case, probably a few more coming, of the virus here in Neshoba County. I was kind of hoping it'd stay away from us. Let's go over yonder, and I'm gonna show you how Skyla and I are gonna try to make a little bit of money over here on the homestead. Right there. Rabbits. Okay, rabbits, Dan? Yes, actually, Skyla's mother was really big into rabbits. Had a lot of rabbits from what Skyla was telling me. I don't know too much about rabbits. I don't think there's really a lot that you have to know about them, I'm guessing, but Skyla knows a pretty good bit about rabbits. So we purchased 5 Rex rabbits. There's 2 males and 3 females the 2 males in one cage and the 3 females in another cage. And I actually built a little stand for the cages, and I had the poop trays. And believe it or not, those rabbits are really popular here in East Central Mississippi. So I know somebody's gonna ask, hey Dan, you raising those meat rabbits? No, we don't eat anything animal-wise over here. Well, we haven't had to. I don't think we ever will. But these rabbits, we're gonna try to breed these rabbits and make a little bit of money selling rabbits, because they are really popular over here at my location. They're not really hard to maintain, other than making sure they're fed, they have water, and a little bit of wind blowing on them when it gets really hot. But the rabbit droppings are really good in the garden. And yeah, I'm gonna use those rabbit droppings in earth bed and also the 16-foot raised beds. So that's a plus win-win for us. It's kind of expensive to get started in it. We kind of bought those cages, and those are the 30 by 30 cages. We actually going to start looking into making our own cages with using the chicken wire or whatever kind of wire that is. We just got to go try to find us a roll. Maybe we'll take you along on that when we go to start building our cages. So that's what Skyla and I intend on doing. We're going to try to use rabbits to bring a little extra income into the homestead / home place. So hey, if y'all want to share what you do at your location or in your neck of the woods on how you bring in a little extra money, drop something down in the comments and let us know what you do, how you bring in a little extra income. I always like reading the comments just to see what you and y'all have to say. So y'all, today's video is going to be really short. Have a bunch of stuff that I have to get done today while I have some sun. Got to start working on cutting this grass and doing a whole bunch of weed eating, because that grass is starting to grow now. So y'all, again, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Thursday. and I hope y'all having a safe one. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, like messing with rabbits now. With that being said, you know what's coming. Dan, referee sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.